Kemba and the Market Hustle, a Jamaican kid's story about ambition, honesty, and island pride. Every Saturday before sunrise, the town of Rosebud Vale came alive. Honk honk, crater pack, and coconut definitely a chop. It was market day, and no one loved it more than 11-year-old Kemba. Kemba's grandma, Miss Noblet, had been selling at the market since Kemba's mother was a baby. She sold bami, cassava, and homemade lime juice in reused Guinness bottles because glass hold the chill better, she always said. But Kemba didn't want to sell bami. She had her own plan. More start a business too, Granny. A real up to the time one. Granny gave her a slow look. So what you plan to sell? Style, Kemba said. All week, Kemba cut up her old jeans, decorated t-shirts with fabric paint, and made tote bags from crocus sack. She called her line Yard Swag. Each piece had a hand-painted logo, a mango in shades, and slippers. She even made her own sign, Kemba's Yard Swag. Real style, real yard. When Saturday came, she wheeled her little cart to a corner of the market and set up shop. People passed and smiled. Some even giggled. "You're selling style for true," one man joked. "Yes, sir," Kemba grinned. "Custom, one of a kind, hand-painted. Let me know your vibe. I'm a style one just for you." By midday, she'd sold 3 bags, a shirt, even a head tie to a tourist lady who said, "You remind me of my daughter back home in New York." Then came a boy named Rico. He was older, flashy, and known for cutting corners. "Kemba, yo, you know say you're smart," he said. "But you know if you want to make real money, you have to fake it liquor, right?" He showed her how he ironed a brand label onto cheap shirts and sold them for triple. People love foreign names, even when it come from Linstead. Kemba paused and thought. She could make more money, but it felt off. She looked down at her tote bag with the mango in grasses and slippers and said, "Nah, my brand is real yard. Man, I feel that flicker hype or little more money. More good." Rico scoffed and walked off. That evening, a reporter from the Jamaica Gleaner Youth Feature was walking through the market. She spotted Kemba's cart and smiled. "This yours? It's so creative. Can I interview you? Or can I ask your grandma to interview you?" The next week, there it was, a full article about Kemba for her Yard Swag movement, with a picture of her holding her mango logo bag and smiling big. Orders started coming in from all over Kingston, St. Thomas, and even Montego Bay. Miss Noblet looked at her and said, with a proud nod, "You never have to fake nothing. You did already sell the best thing, your creativity."